everything's built by Matsuura, so the pallet cell, the trunnion, the spindle, the software is all Matsuura's, so this lands ready to run.
Simon, we're here at Southern Manufacturing 2023. What is your job role here?
I look after the southwest for Matsuura on the CNC machine tool cells.
So we're stood in front of the MX-330. What is this machine?
So this is a full 5-axis automated machining cell for Matsuura. It comes with 10 pallets and 90 tools, giving the customer complete unmanned automation options.
So instead of taking a step into automation as a bolt-on, this machine does everything all in one?
Yeah, so everything's built by Matsuura. So the pallet cell, the trunnion, the spindle, the software is all Matsuura's, so this lands ready to run.
What difference does it make for a customer once they purchase this machine? How many doors does it open up for them?
Well, this really gives the customer the option to run unmanned, utilising every hour of every day, keeping the spindle running, utilisation maybe up to 90+% on this type of machine.
So after someone's bought this from you, are they looking to invest in another one?
Yeah, so it really opens up their opportunities. Once they've invested with Matsuura, they understand what a machine tool of this capability gives to them in terms of the accuracy, the repeatability, and that option to utilise every hour of every day.
So this pallet changer here, you've got 10 pallets on there. What other machines do you have that increase in pallet size?
Okay, so we do 2 series of 5-axis multi-pallet machines. The MX series is one. We go all the way up to an 850 diameter system with 4 pallets. We also have our MAM series, which offers more tools and more pallets.
So talking about different series of machines, that's a lot of automation. Have you seen a lot more companies taking the jump into automation?
Yeah, certainly more and more people are coming to us now asking for automation and being able to run their machines for longer. And that's what Matsuura do. All of our machines are built in Japan as automated machines.
I've been seeing these machines everywhere, Simon, so that must mean that Matsuura have a good support and service on the back.
Yeah, certainly. We look after our customers. We hold spares here in the UK, and we've got a customer service team set up at Coville, Matsuura, to look after the customers once they've purchased the machine, and then hopefully come back for more.